last couple of years, I've been shopping a lot online, especially in the last 1 year. I haven't been traveling much. I haven't had the time to go to a mall or to any store or go abroad and shop. So I have been shopping a lot online, whether it's not just for my own personal clothes, but even for the house.
Okay.
And I think it's the easiest thing to do, and I must say it's pretty addictive as well. A large part of the film has been shot in Udaipur,
Okay.
and we were there for 1.5 months. And I remember on one of the days, Ranbir and myself had to go into one of the market areas to shoot. You'll see that sequence in the film. And between shots, we had some time, and there was a really nice shop that was selling jutis. And I remember going into the store and picking up some jutis because I love wearing Indian clothes, and I wear a lot of jutis. And I think Rajasthan is the place to buy them. That today's youth spend so much time online, and they've become so familiar and so comfortable with shopping online, and Jabong being the leading retail, online shopping website, I think it's a great, sort of association for us as Ye Jawani Hai Deewani. And the fact that I think Manish Malhotra has done some amazing clothes for me and for the entire cast of the film. And the fact that a line inspired by Ye Jawani Hai Deewani is going to be available on jabong.com, I think is a great association. I think the reason why I do end up shopping abroad is only because a lot of our films are shot abroad, and that's the only time I get time to shop. I don't specifically make trips to go abroad and shop. I believe that today everything is available in India, whether online or otherwise. I think even our stores have everything available here. But if I really had to choose one place, I think Dubai is a great place to shop. I don't think you can ever look at one particular kind of style and say this is Deepika's style, because I think I've always, fortunately or unfortunately, experimented with the kind of looks. If you see me in 5 Indian looks, you'll see me in 5 Western looks. I don't think I've slotted myself that way either. And I love Indian clothes. If you ask me, I think the sari is my most favorite garment. I'm the most comfortable in a sari.